Okay, I'm so hungry.
Yes, do that.
Why is this guy following us?
I don't know, he's gay.
Yep. But let us go shopping. Let us see. Yes!
It's the market.
Yes, look at this dude.
Oh.
He's so ugly. Look at him. Look at him. Okay.
We need Doritos.
Yes! I forgot we need Doritos! And we love Doritos. Do you remember? Do you remember when we eat 100 Doritos? We love them so much.
Buy a lot of them.
Is this a gangster dog? Excuse me? Is this a gangster dog? Right behind us?
We are gangster puppies.
Yeah! Remember? Do you remember? I showed you on the news that puppy got arrested for pooping.
Do you want to buy some bread? We buy some bread.
Yes, you buy bread. I will buy milk. Okay, tons of milk.
We need meat. We need meat.
No, we need tons of milk. We need the most milk we can get. Okay.
Do you want fish?
Nah, we don't need fish. We're not cats.
Do you want chicken?
Chicken nuggets?
No chickens.
Yes, chickens.
Chicken wings.
100 chicken one. 100. Okay. 100.
Holy shit.
Yep. I'm buying tons of
My
milk.
bank account is going down after.
Okay,
What about turkey? Turkey?
I got like 767,000. I don't know what to waste that on. Oh, plates! We need plates. We need plates. We need plates. Did you forget?
I'm buying one fish. Two fishes.
No, we're not cats. What did I say to you last morning? Last morning, what did I say to you? We're not cats.
We need paper towels.
Can you talk English? Can you talk English?
Where's toilet paper?
I don't know. Go find it yourself. I've never been in this market before. This is a new market.
I think it is this. I'm buying two.
Oh, and we need pizza and ice cream. We need ice cream. Ice cream. And we need pizza rolls and stuff.
Did you buy the milk?
Yes, I bought tons of milk. Tons.
What is this? A better store.
A better store means a better life.
Yogurt.
Yes, yogurt. We need yogurt. But we only need 100 yogurts, okay? 100 yogurts.
No, I don't have
Enough money?
pizza.
Pizza.
Pills.
Yes, go. You have pizza rolls. I bought tons of ice cream. We need a normal pizza. Look.
Where's pizzas?
Here, frozen
Buy a lot of
pepperoni pizza.
pizzas.
We need frozen pepperoni pizza. And we need frozen cheese pizza. Okay?
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good.
Yep.
Okay, come now.
No, we're not done shopping yet. We need a bit more stuff. We need Fanta, my favorite. Do you remember when I drink so much Fanta? I love it so much.
Let's buy a lot of them.
Yep, we need to buy the Fanta. I love them so much. It's so tasty. That's enough Fanta. What else do we need? Toilet paper towels.
I bought it.
Oh, okay, then spray. We need a spray. Windex. Okay, we need Windex. There we go.
Okay, that's
No, we
that's
need.
enough.
No. That's not enough. We need cheese. We need cheese. Do you remember? Yes, we need cheese. There. Because do you remember when you were a mouse? Do you? That's why I'm buying this cheese for you. There we
Are
go.
you going to buy some fruits?
Yes, some, not many. What is this?
I want.
Oh, corn. We need corn. We need corn because Wolfie likes corn. Do you remember? He eats so much corn. Yep. He likes it so much.
If I remember that, I have remembered a lot.
Ouch! Why did you hit me again? We need tomatoes. Okay, we need ketchup. So you forgot? We need tons of ketchup. Is it any ketchup here?
I don't know. Maybe. Check. Frozen foods maybe has.
Yes. No, it's no ketchup there either. No, it's no ketchup. Let's just get out of here, okay? Let's go home.
It's enough. Oh, cereal. 1 second. Which one do you want? Coke, round,
Somebody's trying to steal someone's car. Come on, let's go home already. Somebody stole your car.
What
No,
the
my
fuck?
truck. There, someone tried to steal my truck. Come on, let's go. Oh my goodness, I can't drive. He tried to crash us.
Let's go home and get some and goodbye and
Yes.
set and then
Yes.
set
Yes. Okay, let's turn slightly around here now. Okay. Woo! Okay. I crashed my car when we went shopping, so it's easy to try. Okay, I don't like that in market so much. It doesn't have ketchup. Isn't it?
No.
It's so bad. It doesn't have ketchup. It doesn't
I
have...
need mustard.
No, we need ketchup. We need ketchup.
I don't like ketchup. I like mustard.
I like ketchup. We need tons of ketchup. Come on, let's get in our house already.
Where's
Okay.
the fridge?
Okay. Yeah, we need a fridge.
What the fuck is it?
We have no fridge. It looks like. Let's add in a fridge. We need the oven right there. We need a grill. And we need a microwave. No, we need a toilet. No, I can't put down the toilet. We need a microwave. And now we need a fridge. Let me see. We don't even have beds. Are you kidding me, bro? There we go.
Like
Fridge.
that?
Yes. Okay.
Did you buy it?
I bought the fridge. There we go. There now is at whoa! I have tons of food. Can you put down all the food in there? Wait, put all your food down. Put all your food down here, okay? Throw all your food down here.
How do you do that?
Just take all my food.
How do you set the food inside of it? Oh, here.
Take all this food and put it in the fridge.
How do you?
I'm too lazy. I don't want to even do it.
How do you throw it?
Backspace. Press the item and click backspace.
Which is backspace? What the fuck?
Is this enough?
F. How do you?
Who is this dude in our house? Who is this dude? How do I drop stuff? Is he saying? Who is this dude? Did you invite him? What the flip is happening to me?
How do you drop? How do you drop?
Never mind. You put down all this food in the fridge, okay? There. That's enough.
How do you set?
Wow, I'm stuck on this screen now. Bro, I'm stuck. But now let's end this video. Okay?
How the fuck? Actually,
Let's end this video. Let's end this video. Okay? Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and like. And you say the last word.
like and subscribe, or you gonna die, bitch.
And see ya. Bye.